I talk a lot about digital products, but I really want to break this down and share a digital product that you could make and sell without having a massive audience. So with anything, the first thing you have to do when creating any digital product is choosing the right product. And what we're going to be talking about today is Notion templates. And there is a reason that I think Notion templates would be a great option for you. And we'll be getting into that throughout the video. But first, I want to show you exactly how to create a Notion template. And I'm going to take you directly into my Notion. Hold on. So when it comes to creating a template, there's two things you're going to want to do. First of all, you want to plan your product idea. I actually have a template pack. It's $17. It includes tons of templates if you're a content creator. And one of those templates is a product planning page. It's also where you can just store all the information in regards to any and all of your products. So here's a page, and currently I only have one thing in there, and that is my creators resource hub. So that is where I store all of the information in regards to my hub, not the hub itself. And so we're gonna click open this blank option, and there is a template available in here where you can plan the product name, the description, just anything and everything as far as the planning side. Doing this ahead of time is going to make your life so much easier. So then when you're ready to list your product for sale, you already have it planned out. And I feel like planning this type of stuff actually helps with the creation too. So that's going to be your first step. And for me in my Notion, I have an entire products and service workspace. This makes my life a lot easier because it's all stored in one space, and it's very easy to keep track of all the things I create in Notion. So you can create a workspace like that as well. And then you're going to select this plus sign, which is going to give you some options as far as what your next steps are. And we're going to do empty page. So now in this empty page, you can create whatever template you want. And just for the sake of simplicity for this video, say I want to create a content calendar that I could sell. I'm going to type in content calendar or whatever it is that you want to call it. It doesn't have to be content calendar. I always add a call out. The call out is literally what it says. It's gonna kind of make an announcement. So this is where I would write some information about what they can expect in this template. And you could even include a video as well if you want to walk them through the entire template. You can have a video and then like a written summary of the page as well. You can create a divider line to kind of separate the instructions from the actual content. And, to create a calendar, I would recommend doing like an incline database. You'll want to add a date property, and then you can select table here and edit the view, go to layout and change it to a calendar. Now all of a sudden you have a calendar. You can change the untitled text here to calendar or whatever it is that you're wanting. You can create templates within this calendar. So for example, if somebody wants to create an Instagram post, you could create a template for an Instagram post with whatever thoughts and strategies you have to help them with that. And you would just do that throughout the entire calendar. You could add more information, I don't know, aesthetics and things like that. At the top here, you can add an icon. So say, since this is a calendar, we might do one of these calendar icons. So do this. You can add a cover, not that one. We can go to like Unsplash and you can search and find one that fits your vibe, or you can upload something, whatever it is you want. I'm just going to type in calendar and see what pops up. Not really loving most of these, but okay, that doesn't really matter. It's not my calendar. So you just select one, you can reposition it if you want, and there you have it. You created a template. Obviously, if you're going to sell it, put energy into it. I did this in just like 3 minutes. So you want to actually pour energy and thoughts and strategy into this. And I will also recommend you can create individual little pages like this and sell them for a few dollars a piece, but I would recommend creating bundles. So it could be like a business Notion pack or a plant lover Notion pack or a mom Notion pack, something to where there's multiple templates all in one, because then you can actually sell it for, $17, like I just said, for like my content creator template pack. So that is creating a Notion template. And so now we're going to create the assets for this product. A lot of times, sure, I would use Canva, but I discovered Kittl, which is actually the sponsor of this video, and they make things so much easier. Their licensing is just really straightforward. So even if you want to create physical products like print on demand, you don't have to worry about any kind of licensing. It's very straightforward, telling you that you can use this for commercial use. And then they also have this mockup feature, which I'm going to show you right now, making it so easy to make mockups for any type of products, and it just saves you tons of time. So first thing I'm going to do before even hopping over to Kittl is hit the print screen button on my keyboard. Might be different for you, but I'm taking a screenshot, and then I'm going to just, highlight this and grab my screenshot. So now I have a screenshot of my calendar, and I'm going to save it to my downloads just so it's easy for me later. So we're gonna go up to the top here where it says products and find mockups. So create mockups with one click is what it says, which it really is that easy. And we're gonna go to mockup generator. Okay, so I uploaded my screenshot, and of course the very first thing it's showing me are t-shirts. Obviously I'm not creating a t-shirt, but I just want to show you how awesome these mockups are. So for example, I selected this image of her, and you can see how it faded out this screenshot I have of a content calendar, and even like tilted it kind of sideways, so when I'm like on her chest, it looks printed. Like that looks like a shirt with a Notion content calendar printed on it. I just think that's really, really neat. I'm gonna type in laptop. Oof, okay. Okay, so as you can see, again, there's just so many options. This is the part that I think is so cool with Kittl versus any other platform. So I'm gonna choose this one because it's kind of cute, like a little aesthetic and fun and colorful. And we're just gonna give her a second. Look at this. Where'd it go? Oh, it's there. You don't have to worry about lining it up. It literally is like already it's inside this laptop. How cool is that? So in this case, I can just expand it like this, and look how cute. Is that not the cutest thing? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna download that. I'm not even selling this, and this is so cute. Okay, and we can do it, this one's like really nice too. This is like really basic, I actually have this exact same external hard drive, so that's kind of funny. And then again, it, stays within the laptop, so it's just so easy. You can expand it, and I mean, like legit looks like she is using this content calendar. Is that not cool? Okay, maybe I'm just obsessed. I'll download that one. Let's also do like, let's see, a tablet. Would that be the best thing to search? Yes. Oh, this is so cool. Okay. Oh, here's like a beachy pool vibe. We'll do that one because it's kind of fun and different. And then we're going to, in a minute, look, see, it has it positioned properly. It, has it kind of faded again, so it doesn't look like, I don't know, like a screenshot. I'm sorry, I'm flabbergasted. This is so good. Okay. I already knew it was good, but it just like really blows my mind. Okay, so I've downloaded all three of those, and now we are ready to actually start selling our digital product. We got the Notion template, we have some mock-ups, you have already done all that planning, so you already know what you're gonna call it and everything, and now it's time to sell it. Now, for me, if I'm selling this, I am going to initially put it up on my Stan store. So Stan store is really an all-in-one selling platform. I'll go ahead and show you mine really quick. And you can see, actually, I'll just show you this. This is my creator business template pack. So this is what I was talking about earlier. And you will just like add your title, subtitle, go out to the checkout page here. If you select the checkout page, you can then see, you can put information about it. You can do like some call outs, you can put the price, and then at the bottom here is where you would lead to your Notion page. So when they make this purchase, it would automatically lead them to the Notion template where they can duplicate it on their own Notion. So that's how you would do it in Stan Store. But what I want to show you today, and in case you don't already have an audience, or in case that's something you're not interested in at all, you are going to use something called Notion Marketplace. And this is something they launched in 2024, so it's pretty fresh and new. So Notion Marketplace reminds me a little bit of Etsy, but it's a lot more specific. It is only Notion templates, so you're not having to worry about catering to the masses. Like if somebody goes to the Notion Marketplace, it's because they're looking for a Notion template. So by using their marketplace, you can create a creator account. This is different than your regular Notion account, and you'll be able to list your various templates on here either for free or for sale. Either one. You can do some basic ones for free and then have those bundles for, you know, a paid fee. But as you can see here, like this is a weekly planner and they're selling it for $249. It doesn't have to be crazy expensive. This one here's $3.99. But if you scroll long enough, you will find that there's some that are like $17. Some are even more than that. But there's tons of free options, and honestly, that's always a really good way to get somebody in the door. If they love your vibe and your aesthetic and they just think your Notion templates are amazing, then they'll come back and buy them. So if you're wanting to get started today and potentially make a sale by the end of this week, this is a really great place to start. Also, don't forget to check out Kittl. If you're anything like me, you are also amazed by how great those mockups are. So check it out, and make sure to check out my template pack if you want access to all of my Notion templates, as well as tons of other templates like ChatGPT prompts and Canva templates and all of the good stuff. And I think that's it. Wow, I felt like I breezed right through this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.